Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. SGX Nifty indicating a 150 point gap down. What next in market? Yes, it has been now close to over a week's time. I've been telling this market is overheated. This market has froth. This market should see profit booking. And then what you are seeing now is just the power of market profile chart. I do nothing except reading the chart, and I'll just tell you what charts are telling to me, to you guys in your program Easy Money and in your Rudralogy YouTube channel. Now, in fact, some of them asked me, Sir, if you see Friday market or if you see even Thursday market, Indian market first fell, then global market fell. So, do you mean to say Indian market is leading the move on the downside in the global market? My answer is yes. Indian market is leading the move on the downside in the global market scenario, but by then telling it today after seeing the down move on Thursday and Friday, even my son who is 12-year-old can tell it, or anyone in the street today can tell it that Indian market will lead the move on the downside because already Thursday, Friday we have fallen enough. Today we have seen SGX Nifty which is already down. Dow Jones was down over 500 points on Friday. So all this is superb storytelling. But let me tell you, telling the same a week back is what we call as research. You can only make money when you are able to do this research before the fall and not today after seeing an SGX Nifty which is down 150 point. And in fact, my dealing team here in my office were making a superb joke. Whatever you ask them, when someone asks them, why did Adani group of stocks went up from lower level? They say knee jerk reaction. Why did Adani Power stock is coming down? They don't know anything why it is going up or coming down. So what they do is they say knee jerk reaction. Why did Nifty go up from lower levels? Knee jerk reaction. Why did Nifty come down from higher level? Because of knee jerk reaction. Now you also can become a great analyst and do a joker and a lot of fun show. Anyone asks why Bank Nifty is falling down, just tell them knee jerk reaction. Or if why Adani group of stocks are coming down or is it going up, knee jerk reaction. Guys, making money is important and not fooling around. And people are smart enough. If you think you can fool everyone every time, not possible. You can only fool few people for some time, but not everyone every time, because even these fools will understand that this is how fooling around is happening. And when you have Rudralogy show and the Easy Money program what you are watching, fooling is definitely not possible. Now what next in market is a $1 billion question people are asking. Let me tell you my analysis. I don't mind being wrong, but I don't want to give two-sided reactions on market and also keep telling knee jerk reaction. Let me tell you, I feel this down move, whatever we are seeing, will continue in mid and small cap stocks. However, on the larger cap front, you have to be very stock specific. For some time, be very stock specific. And in fact, let me tell you, Reliance Industry and Infosys will be two stocks which on the lower side, after you see such a huge gap down today on SGX, and if market comes down, these are the two stocks which you have to buy at lower levels. In fact, Infosys and Reliance both have seen huge delivery buying on Friday market. And let me tell you, today God has given you a gift to buy it much lower levels because of the gap down what you are seeing. And in fact, you have the AGM of Reliance this 24th. And I always say never go against Mota buy. And Reliance Industry, people are expecting a lot of announcements to come in this AGM, and a lot of news reports are already there which speaks about a $15 billion Aramco deal to come out. Or can there be a representation of an Aramco chair man in the Reliance board, and also people are talking about introduction of a superb work from home concept which is running very high. Can we have a low priced laptop and with internet and data everything introduced by Reliance? And people are also talking about the Google deal which can also come out, and all this positive news people are expecting on 24th, that is this Thursday. And you also have monthly expiry coming up this Thursday. Never ever go against Mota buy. But if you don't understand any of these things, I'm sure you know what to say. When someone asks you why is Reliance industry going up, if you don't know, just tell knee jerk reaction. If someone asks you why is this coming down, just tell them knee jerk reaction. I'm sure we have to make money through right research, and that is what your Easy Money and Rudralogy show gives you. And let me also tell you, this is just for fun, because we want to make money with lot of happiness and fun, and I want to see people around us very, very happy. Thanks for watching this program. I'm sure you would have enjoyed this program, and this is just to ensure we all keep up with the fun and money making activity. If someone asks you what is happening in the market, just tell them knee jerk reaction. Thank you so much. See you all. Bye bye. Take care.